You Can't Swim With Us. You Can't Swim With Us is a part of the Ed Hardy Tannovations Premier Collection. Calling all Mer-girls, we say every day we wear pink. Introducing the ultra-popular dark tan enhancer, You Can't Swim With Us. Infused with champagne and coffee extracts to tone, tighten, and firm. Because when it comes to your skin being flawlessly fabulous, the limit just does not exist. Added mer-mazing, not so basic, anti-aging and cellulite-fighting ingredients are blended with vitamins and nutrients so your skin stays, like, really pretty. With this pink hued, super trendy, oh so fetch lotion, you will develop dramatic color after every session. The basics that are other lotions will be beyond jealous. Don't worry, we're used to others being obsessed with us. You Can't Swim With Us is available in a 10-ounce bottle and utilizes a cool pink cocoa fragrance.